the world's first revolutionary wearable technology to offer innovative artificial intelligence integration and live video streaming to social media built in. Facebook and more. Showcase your daily life, your spectacular vacations, or maybe stream your child's events and firsts for the whole family to see. Now everyone can attend special occasions, but from anywhere in the world. Making traveling easy, Alpha has your back with text translation. Simply take a photo of a sign or menu, and Alpha will instantly translate it to you audibly through your speakers or directly onto the TrendLoader app. Shopping can be a hassle and time-consuming, but not with Alpha. Simply snap a picture of an item and a price comparison from different stores will be sent to your TrendLoader app. Glasses.
Hey babe, what's up? Yeah, I'm free. Sure, I'll meet you there. Hey Siri, directions to Bicycle Coffee.
Alpha Sunglasses provides hands-free turn-by-turn navigation through your phone, so keep your eyes on the road and hands on the steering wheel later. Take a snapshot of your food and your glasses will send you a calorie breakdown of each food item.
They are great.
With dual 16mm PI Gene speakers and a TI D-Class amp, you'll be able to enjoy songs as the artist intended. The natural airflow design delivers crystal clear highs and a rich bass to immerse you in high-quality sound.